Good morning, this is your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing, continuing with the dry weather patterns today. I do have some partly cloudy skies out there right now with mainly high clouds around, so just some filtered sun coming through. That will continue as we go through today, as we'll have a dry boundary moving through the area. We'll see some slightly breezy conditions, but overall we'll see seasonable temperatures as we go through today. If we look at the current surface analysis, we can see that boundary off to the northwest that will be approaching the area, moving through the area as we go through the day today. Again, expecting this to be a dry boundary. No precip expected with this, just some increase in winds and a little increase in the clouds as well. And then we'll see another area of high pressure building into end the week. Looking at current conditions, we have that broken deck around 25,000 feet, winds light out of the west at 5 knots, seeing the temperature at 34 degrees, and the relative humidity this morning is at 89%. Looking at that current visible satellite, we can see the high clouds over the local area as well as some additional cloud cover off just behind that boundary there. Again, we're expecting this to stick around as we go through the day today, but then we'll see skies clearing out as we go into the evening. If we look at the short-term high-resolution model here, we'll see, again, dry conditions, not much to really look at as we step through the model here. I do see those thickness values lowering with that cooler air coming in behind the front, setting up for a cold evening. And as that area of high pressure builds in behind it, we'll see a slight tightening of that pressure gradient. It's going to allow to keep some, we'll have those slightly breezy winds as we go through the day today, but we'll continue with a slight breeze going through the overnight, so that might limit how low the temperatures can get as we go through the morning on Thursday. Going through the day on Thursday, high pressure in control, continued dry weather. Will be a cooler day with below average temperatures, but continue with mostly sunny conditions. And then that continues as we go overnight Thursday into Friday as well, where we see the temperatures moderate back to more seasonable conditions, maybe a couple degrees above average as we go through the day on Friday, with mainly sunny conditions continuing. So if we look at the 24-hour weather risk chart for today, expecting green conditions across the board for today. We'll see that temperature up to a seasonable 50 degrees as we get to the first part of the afternoon. We will see those winds picking up behind the front out of the northwest. At the peak, we'll see 9 to 14 knots, gusting up to 22 knots. But we should stay below that wind advisory criteria, so no colors being indicated for that. And then as we go into the evening time frame, again, we'll see those mid and high level clouds around today, and then we'll see things clearing out going into the evening. That will help temperatures to drop, but as you can see here, we'll keep those winds out of the north-northwest to northwest around 5 to 10 knots, gusting up to 15 knots, as we do have a chance of seeing a few gusts in the area continuing through the overnight, so that limits the temperatures a little bit. We'll see that low around 30, and as we get into the start of tomorrow, mainly sunny, just a few high clouds around to start the day on Thursday. Right now, tides are running slightly below normal, and next couple of days we'll see a mostly sunny and again chillier day for Thursday. Slight breeze to start the day, and then we'll see that diminishing through the day, expecting that high just around 44 degrees with green conditions for our weather risk. And as we go into Thursday evening, mostly clear and cold with a low around 29 degrees. And then Friday we return to more seasonable to just above average temperatures with a high around 54 degrees, and overall mostly sunny conditions with just a slight breeze through the day, but continued green conditions over the next couple of days as far as weather goes. That wraps up the 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. to take a look at the extended forecast. Enjoy your morning.